What's up guys, today we have Samsung J7 Prime 2. Your phone temperature is too low and the phone stopped charging. You can see the red charging light on and off, on and off. Notification said charging stopped. Your phone temperature is too low. Charging will continue after the temperature returns to normal. There is two cases, temperature is too low and temperature is too high. It's a different solution. Let's see how to fix this problem. We need to open the device to fix this problem. Opening this device is very dangerous to the screen, so we need to take careful while we are removing it. We need to heat the screen at 2 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds to heat the glue so we can remove the LCD. This job could take more time than you think, but you should be patient to remove it without any damage. You need to use the plastic tools to remove the glue and swipe in. I can leave you for a few seconds after we remove the LCD. The LCD has been out. Remove the LCD flex cable, then you can take it out from the frame. Now take out all screws from the board. Then remove SIM card slot. If there is two, remove them both. Now remove the board from the frame. Now it can be opened easily. Remove two black screws from the board, one at the top and the second at the bottom. After that, remove antenna flex cable in the bottom. Then remove the front camera. Then remove the flex cable of the audio and then the home button. Then we can take out the board. Take a look at the schematic before replace. We can see burning components in this side, so our problem could be here. After checking, we see resistor was burning and open circuit, so we had to replace it. and then test. Replace this resistor with a new one and then we can test again. You need to use heat gun at 3 Celsius degree to remove and then replace. Put rosin flux paste, then bring the heat gun and heat again on position. You can download the schematic in the description. There is a link, you can go and download it. Once done, let it cool down for 5 minutes, then assemble the phone and test. You can test before the full assemble for you. Now bring the charger and put it in and let's see. It start charging. Wait for it. Okay, the problem has been resolved now. You can power it on and test from menu. Okay, there is no notification. The notification has been gone. The device now is charging. The LED light is gone also. This means our problem has been resolved, causing resistor to burn out, making open circuit, making this problem. Small component with big problem. Now you can assemble the phone back, and that's it. If you have any questions, just write it down in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to support me by subscribe and like. We'll see you in the next video. See ya! like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.